which was the articles, right? Because you're
Mhm.
still anonymous in the sense, right? People, you're not on a video like this, engaging, just so to speak. So that was very easy thing for me to do, to kind of get my toes wet. And then from there, I realized that I don't think you talked about this yet, but you definitely talked about it in the development program, some of the pillars of you know achieving success in that realm. And one of the things obviously is profile building.
Mhm.
And then there's connections and knowledge. And I think you've touched on some of those things differently in this talk. For me, what I've noticed is that profile building is an amplifier to those other pillars, right? So obviously, we're talking about, getting eyeballs on you, getting attention, the right attention on you, and building your profile. So that leads to connections, right? Um, and then obviously building your profile, you're sharing knowledge of some sort, right? So that is building up on that pillar, right? And then all of that is giving you credibility. So it kind of creates this snowball effect.
Mhm.
And the better you get at it, right, the more opportunities come your way. And for me, what I found in sharing content is that I've had to find a way to add value to not only the people who are interested in doing what I'm doing, but to the people who hold the keys, if you will, to where I want to be, right? So I do that by highlighting the stuff that they're doing. So I'm not actually highlighting myself, I'm
Mhm.
highlighting them, and that adds value to their efforts, which obviously they appreciate and not necessarily reciprocate. It doesn't, you're not doing it for quid pro quo effect, if you will. But obviously, the more people you help, the more people that want to be around you, the more opportunity
Yeah.
that come your
The
way.